The test mode browser in It's Learning is now working. This feature will allow students to take a test, but will stop them from opening other tabs, searching the internet, or using the messaging features. To set your test up to be taken in test mode, open your test, choose the three dots, and choose Edit Test Settings. Click the Options tab and scroll down to check off Test Mode, and then choose Save. Notice when this option is selected, there is a notice on the front page saying that it must be taken in test mode. Your test is now ready and can only be taken if the students have entered test mode. It is currently set up to be used on Chromebooks. If you need it to be taken on desktops, please let me know, and I will work with you to get that set up.